Hey guys, guess what? If you look over there, you'll see we're at the Polynesian Cultural Center. This should be fun. Let's go in and take a look.
Welcome to Samoa.
Okay.
So on the right side of the top right of the gate.
Okay, thank you.
Beautiful.
We're going to Samoa. Let's check out Samoa.
The wraparound is called the Skiapo or the top of frog. It is made from the bark of the maple mulberry tree. Around its neck, he wears the ulafana, a leg made from the seeds of the bananas tree. Stringing together those seeds represents the unity amongst the council of the chiefs. On his left hand, he holds a cord, the switch of inspiration. He represents his knowledge and his wisdom of the culture and the genealogy of our people. He holds the topo on his right hand. The staff of leadership is the authority to speak on behalf of the chiefs. Yes, seal.
Wow, leo atuari seu maula atu swaseu. Tele to seu ta pilana. Au seu matso amar pifui leo toi pui motama. O sau sau pilana no sa mo yafsio. Kina tau Samoa pui la blabu. Au sei au mai mon. E putan poi le pui niu la blabu. Au le so martai o manu maurungo. O sa poi no Samoa mo sa o sei ma io le. E sei friend to sweetest metas. O tau to sa Ayaw pa mul pa por mar pa sang mit pa ulang wala mo salir pa sa sang iyo lang sto pa los mas pa jam mau ele pa pa sang mi no pe no just mar pin mal si celeste lela after so mai lo so foi lo so la tu lia lo so la tu lia lo la tu mas ayaw mo estam pa no sa mo so sme no mai mo so mga pa tsai a za ma tsao chiri e sa lo tu no pa tsao pio na tu la ni ma sa pa ya ina yer man bio a bolo e po le tuo so po.
And that means welcome. Our young man expressed his gratitude for your being here today. He has also blessed his day that you enjoy your visit with us. And he prayed that when you return home, may the spirit of our people guide you home safely to be with your loved ones. In the snow. How about another big hand for the son of the chief? And we're going to have our women to perform for you a part dance for the Minoi. Translated, you got to move it. Telling on top, he was on to a local pizza. So yeah, so bad, my money laugh. So you're terrible. I tell you, baby, junkie away. I don't know that. Talking about them, talking about baby, me know, yeah. Me know, yeah. Me know, yeah.
What do you call a truth? On your mark, get set, go. 5, 3, 4, come on. Takes 2 hours. I'll do that. Check this out. Check it out. Not the fire. I have done that. Go and get some beer. It also must know that you should never judge a man by the number of his eyes. I rather have one standard. David Foxtrot. Budget Mouse Foxtrot. They're pretty cheap with that. He has 2 hours. You get one home to watch them. And by the way, they can download it home. They bring it home. Okay, that fire. Everybody say fire. Have them on fire. In Samoa, Afi. Api. Tonga, same thing. Api. In Hawaii, Ahi. In Malaysia, Indonesia, Api. In India, Api. Ugly. Hollywood. Filipino, a boy. India, namaste. India, Surya, namaste. Agni. Filipino, a boy. In Spanish, oero. Oero. In Brazil, ogo. In French. Let's make French, bonjour. You bring me a French fry? French toast. In Korea, bour. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. China, bour. 你好. Who's it? I'm not Chinese. You know that? I'm Chinese. I'm Bruce Lee forever. I'm lonely. Taiwan, quick. Hong Kong. You from Hong Kong? 你好. What? 你好. Taiwan. Vietnam. Look. Any Vietnamese? Vietnam, jalan. I say fire. That's what I said. Come on. So Vietnam, thank you, come on. You must say come on. Oh, come on. In Japan, he. Everybody say he. In Japan, fire is poop. I don't know what she is, but he is fire. He's hot. No, actually, I lied. I actually don't know what she is. So Japan, fire is he, and she is death. I told you why you're into it. Those long things. Now look at Samoa, organic, free, Cologne. Samoa was like a old spice. But this is way older and spicy. If he doesn't smell like this, if he doesn't cook, don't waste your time. Don't go for the looks, go for the smell. If he has both, good for you. If he has not, good for you. Jimi with chicken is like right there for the fire and come catch me. Is that really like it? It's just on it. Give it up for the fire. Give it up.